What's going on, YouTube? Just got down here to Kim's Auto Care in Byhalia, Mississippi. Got a few updates and concerns I want to share with you guys. Let's get to it. I initially brought it down here to get the wheels and tires mounted, but looking like I'm gonna have to have some other type of modifications did to the car to get them to go on. I stated I'm down here at Kim's Auto Care Center in Byhalia, Mississippi. Let's go check it out. Oh, Mama Red. Back there working on the rear end. Now this update is only for y'all. I haven't been putting many videos on my Facebook and IG account. Paint job came out pretty good. Got a few imperfections. We're gonna get worked out when I take it back to the shop to get it wet sand and buffed on Monday. I got the tuner coming out on Monday as well. To come and tune it. As you know, I went with the EFI Sniper, so it's self-learning, but I know I won't be driving it enough for it to read itself. Never showed you guys any footage of the interior. Interior came out good. The Pro Stitch upholstery over in Jonesboro did my upper door panels, seats, rear seats and rear panels. Rebuilt my whole top, painted it, put new bushings, lines, cables, anything you can name, he did that. I went with the glass, with the plastic top. With the plastic window. I didn't have the orange for the glass. After talking to a couple of my partners, I think I'm gonna go ahead and find out what it is that I need in terms of hardware so that I could go ahead and go with that glass. My guy, the Tupelo fiberglass, my dash, looks good as hell in person, man. He pretty much rebuilt the whole damn top. I went with the chrome AC vents, but I kept my, that don't look like wood grain, mahogany dash panel, chrome AC vents. Got my steering wheel installed, got my steering column painted, got my Dakota digital dash. And still gotta put my weather stripping on. I'm waiting to finish the wet sand and buff so I could go ahead and grind all of this old film, all this old stuff out of there. But yeah, did a pretty good job on the convertible top. We got new latches, one with the cloth top. They can stand a good cleaning from being in multiple shops and getting all the dust on it. Yeah, down here, got the rear end hiked up, working on it. But yeah, man, all in all, I'm pleased with where it's at the moment. I'm ready to fucking ride though. Excuse my language. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to come out on 4th of July. Yesterday I ordered all of my sounds, my speakers, my subs, the box, amps, everything. So hopefully I can get that in by Tuesday or so, and we'll be good to go. Some pretty good guys down here at Kim's Auto Care. You know the guy that does all of my work, Jack, he is a travel engineer, so yeah, he wasn't at the shop and I wasn't about to wait 2 more weeks for him to get back in town. So I'm down here. They do everything, LS swaps. I mean, they working on this short bed. His wife does all the paint, does real good work. I mean, the body work on this truck is immaculate, wet as hell in person. They got something in here. He was just telling me that they were trying to get painted, but the humidity in the area won't allow them to do it right now. Yeah, she's really good. Got a Dodge Ram, nice and clean. Poster wrapped up. So that's a 440 or something. Instead of, I don't know what that is, but yeah. LS on the ground. He trying to convince me to snatch out my motor and go to 6.2 right about now. Damn, sound like a bad idea. But yeah, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe. This is the track owner from Holly Springs Racetrack. This is one of his cars. This is the guy's car from Holly Springs, right? The owner of the track.
I can't remember his name.
Yeah, nice car though. Yeah. 502. Oh yeah, 502. 502 going in here. Nice stuff, man. Yep. Like, comment, subscribe. Out of gas.